Welcome back. Just about 2,500 of South Goan youth have applied for the constable's post advertised by the Goa Police. Chief Minister's request to the South Goans, especially the youth from Salcete, to join Goa Police has not seen success. Various SPs and DYSPs of Goa Police came down to Fatorda Stadium to conduct the first leg of the South Goa recruitment test. Around 350 aspiring candidates gathered at Fatorda Stadium on the first day of test following advertisement for 698 posts of police constables on Monday. All the aspirants were put to rigorous tests like running, sprinting, high jump, long jump. However, numbers indicate that from the total of almost 20,000 odd applications received, an employment exchange sponsors a handful of just 2,700 applications are from South Goa. It is more surprising that hardly any of these candidates hail from Salcete. The employment exchange itself has sponsored 8,000 candidates for this recruitment. The CM on the floor of House had requested the South Goa MLAs to push their youth for this post. Come the day, the request seemed to have gone in vain. On a positive note, a high-ranking officer at site also made a mention saying, since the system of cameras has been put in, we don't receive any calls asking favors.
फाटल्या विधानसभेत मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारान दक्षिण गोंयांतल्या खास करून साश्टीतल्या तरणाट्या कडेन पोलिसेंत अर्ज करचे म्हूण आवाहन केलें. पुराय दक्षिण गोंयांतलो 2,700 हो आंकडो पळोवन पर्रीकारान केल्ल्या आव्हानाक साश्टींतल्यान किंवा दक्षिण गोंयांतल्यान चडसो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो अशें दिसून येता. प्रुडेंट मिडिया खातीर हांव समीर भट, मडगांवच्यान.
4 panchayats have been selected for plastic waste management. 2 companies presented their module on plastic waste management at Goa State Pollution Control Board. The decision in this regard will be taken on Tuesday.
We had 2 presentations from 2 different, I would call them companies, who want to handle the dry waste in the state of Goa. Now, we have not taken a final decision as yet. Now, tomorrow we are having another meeting with the Directorate of Panchayat, that is with the Director. Then we are also having Mr. Michael D'Souza present for the meeting, because now we have to come to the practical side of it. We want to know exactly how garbage will be collected at the Panchayat level. Pilot project will be starting in Kottaling constituency, and we may also call in 3 panchayats from Ponda, so that they can also be involved in this learning process. And once we are definite about things, because then we'll be able to know what are our problems that we may face and what is happening smoothly, and accordingly replicate this system in the other panchayats.
Pradesh Congress also has strong claims for North Goa Lok Sabha seat. State Congress President Subhash Shirorkar, while speaking to Prudent, has made it clear that the party will put its claim for the seat in the north. Recently, NCP Central Leader Praful Patel had announced that NCP will fill their candidate in North Goa in alliance with the Congress.
ताजेर अजून काही डिसिजन जाऊ ना. ते इलेक्शन जेन्ना येतात प्रोसेस सुरू जातलो तेन्ना हायकमांड ठरयतली.
पण तुम्ही क्लेम करतले काँग्रेस?
हायकमांड ठरयतली. हायकमांडान उलोवन मागीर पळयतले आमी कशें करपाचें.
आपण लास्ट टाइम तुम्ही एनसीपीक दिल्लो देश प्रभू
आमी क्लेम करतले.
तुम्ही क्लेम करतले न्ही. आणि सर सावथाचे कितें चर्चिल आले हांव सांगता आपणाक जाय म्हणून टिकेट.
सावथाचे अजून काय अजून खंयचेच जावना रे. दिस इज टू प्रीमॅच्युअर.
हय सारकें.
दिस इज टू प्रीमॅच्युअर टू टॉक अबाउट आयदर नॉर्थ और साउथ.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.